Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Snapchat notifications. So first of all, just open the Snapchat application. Then what you want to do is go to the top left and click on your Bitmoji or profile icon, and then head to the top right where you got this gear icon. Then scroll down and click on this notifications, and here you got a few settings for different notifications which you may receive. So you can go and customize these, but you may want to go and completely turn off notifications from Snapchat. So to do that, you need to close off Snapchat and then open up your settings. Then we need to go our Snapchat device settings. And now what we can do is, if I go for this notifications, and now if you turn this first toggle off, show notifications, and now I'm not going to receive any notification for Snapchat, or I could just go and customize these. For example, go and turn off sounds or badges or whatever. But in this case, I'll just completely turn them off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.